Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can use about integration by the past. So I will put about u equals to s. So we can do first derivative for the both side. dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to 3s. So we will have u multiplied by v. So that is about s, 3s. And then I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 5. Minus, we have the integration from number 1 to number 5. And that should be about the u multiplied by 3. So about this one, so we put number 5 and number 1 gone here. So that should be like this. Now 3 of number 5, that is about negative number 1. 3 of number 1, that is about negative number 4. The integration of this one, that is about negative number 8. So we calculate this one and we have number 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.